What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video, y'all, we working with another synthetic unit. Y'all know that last week I put out a synthetic unit by this same brand, the Cloud 9 Swiss lace, wood lace type of synthetic units, and she was the same price as Solana. She was $50, and this is Brielle that I'm working with today. So I'm just showing y'all everything that it came with as far as packaging, like the wig and everything. Came with this little card, all that good stuff, all the details on the box, all that, y'all. The wig construction looks like this. It has the 3 combs inside, and y'all, like I said in the last synthetic wig video, these synthetic wigs ain't what they used to be, honey. They're coming with bomb lace, and they looking like human hair. So I just tinted my ball cap, tinted my lace with the lace tint that y'all seen me put on the screen, and now I'm just like kind of like brushing out the curls in the hair because they was kind of giving like too uniform, you know what I mean? So I just brushed them out a little bit. I'm just trying her on. I decided to put her on in a side part, and y'all, I was most definitely rushing during this install, so don't even mind that. Like, I had somewhere to be, but yeah, I'm just parting out the front hairs. I don't even think I plucked this wig. I don't think I had time. Like, I don't even think I plucked it like I did my last wig, but I just sectioned off like the baby hairs basically, and I'm cutting off my ear tabs, and I'm about to get ready to install this wig. Super easy and super simple with some got to be glued freeze blast spray, y'all. And that's really it for this install. Super easy. I'm laying it with some of my wax stick. I overdid it with the wax stick. Like, this is a synthetic wig, sis. Chill with the wax stick. But I'm just using my hot comb to lay the hair down. This wig can take heat up to like 400 degrees, I believe. So yeah, y'all, she's very similar to Solana. That's why I'm not going into like a whole bunch of detail. Y'all can basically see what I'm doing. Very self-explanatory. Y'all can see the color of the wig. Super bomb. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, it's cute, but I feel like it's so close to my skin tone that, like, I don't know how I feel about it. But she's still cute. She was long, and she was giving the girls what the girls needed to get. So I'm just spraying my hairline with got to be glue, as y'all seen, with the lace still on. I'm blow drying. I go between cool and warm on my blow dryer because the hot just be too hot. So yeah, y'all see me just spraying, blow drying, spraying, blow drying. And I worked in 2 sections. I worked on this one half, and then I'm gonna work on the other half. I was really focused on making sure everything was dry. After everything was dry, y'all, I went ahead and just pressed the lace in, blow dried it some more. Y'all see me using it end of my edge brush just to brush that in. She's looking melted already though, babe. Period. So yeah. Now y'all see me holding that side down, doing the same exact thing. This is so easy, y'all. Super easy. Make sure y'all check out the other video as well when I was installing Solana or whatever. We slayed her, and I kind of took my time more in that video. This video was like, rush, get this wig on, girl, you gotta go type of thing. But yeah. Now I'm just laying my elastic band, and I'm gonna tie that. Y'all, this is the key to a melted install. I don't care if the wig is synthetic. I don't care what the wig is, human hair, synthetic, anything, melt. It just melts. I didn't have time to keep it on like I usually do for like 10 minutes or so, or whatever, 5 to 10 minutes. So I just like held it on my head and blow dried it, as y'all seen. Now I'm going in with my straight razor, and I'm just cutting the excess lace off. I'm moving that hair out the way so I don't like cut all those hairs off. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut my lace off, y'all. Do me some quick little baby hairs, and I'm gonna be on my way. Y'all, Brielle is already looking laid, but we about to go in with this gorilla snot and lace some little baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call them. Sometimes I start off with my edges like kind of long, because you can always, of course, go back in and cut if you need to. But once you cut too short, there's no going back. So yeah, I just cut them as I see fit. I do them as I see fit, whatever. Like, they're always different most of the time. But yeah, she's looking pretty good so far. So y'all can just watch me, ladies. Y'all, like I said, this install was so easy. Make sure y'all check out the other video. It was a little bit more detailed, like a little bit, but I basically did the same exact process. I just took my time and I plucked more. I didn't pluck this wig at all, like I mentioned. Didn't really do any customizing off camera. Like, I just put her on and installed her, period. Like, hello. Quick install for the low. She's cute. She was ready to go. Yeah, she was like, so yeah, y'all, I'm about to finish up these baby hairs. After I do these baby hairs, that's literally like just about it. I was on the phone with my mama because she was on the way. She was almost there, pulling up. So your girl was rushing, and yeah, once I finished like my last little sideburns, like, I was done, literally, y'all. This is the end of the video. Like, it was kind of rushed, but I hope y'all still enjoyed it. I'm gonna just brush her out, hot comb her, do some little last minute finishing touches. But yeah, y'all, this was Brielle. Got her from ebonyline.com. I'm gonna have her link down below. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all enjoyed this video. Go copy y'all a little Cloud9 What Lace freaking wig. They're freaking bomb. Yeah. I'll see y'all in the next video.